Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to log out in Boo Dating app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Boo Dating app, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Boo? You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Boo and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. Now, in the sign up page, you're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Boo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to log out in Boo Dating app. So let's say you've connected with your friends and you've had different conversations in the Boo app and you just want to log out. Let's say you want to take a break, you're tired, and you just want to log out. Here's exactly what you can do to log out in Boo. From this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on the three horizontal lines and it takes you right into this window. Now this window, you have profile, you have edit profile, you have my coins, you have power ups, you have notifications, you have saved post, you have personalities database, and you have settings. So go ahead and click on settings. Now once you click on settings, takes you here. We have privacy, language, dark mode, disable vibrations, use metric system, social feed, notifications, messages, safety tips, view tutorial, account help, send feedback, legal intake, survey. So go ahead and click on account. Now once you click account, it takes you right into this account window where you have retry pending purchases, you have change email, you have art, you have pause account, you have delete account, and you have logout. So go ahead and click on logout, and once you click on logout, it's going to log you out of Boo. So you can log out and open the application again, and once you launch the application again, you can now enter your login details to log back into Boo to have an amazing and enthralling experience in Boo. So this is pretty much how you can log out in Boo Dating app. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.